So how the Joes? So everyone, are you ready? Yes, sir. Hello everyone, you're watching this video on our YouTube channel Persona Institute for English, and I'm Ajay Singh Rajput, and with me these are the extraordinary students. First let me say something about these students. They have been recently promoted in advanced batch. Earlier they were in basic batch, semi-advanced batch. Now they are in advanced batch, where they will discuss on a very interesting topic. So everyone, are you ready? Yes, sir. Really? I'm going to give you a very interesting topic to discuss today. The topic is which is better family according to you? Joint family or nuclear family? Joint family or nuclear family? Do you think that joint family is better than nuclear family, or you think nuclear family is better than joint family? What are your opinion about it? You have to put your opinions one by one. I will ask you this question personally. I will come to you and you have to put your views frankly. I hope you are all ready. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. Let me explain you again. Joint family is the family where we live with our grandparents, uncle, aunt, our cousins. In the joint family we live together. In the nuclear family we see there is one husband or wife and their children, right? So this is the nuclear family. No need to explain it. You understand it. So everyone, are you ready? Yes, sir. Really? Yes, sir. So first, who is going to start today? Let's know the opinion of you. Yes, what do you think, brother?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And I think joint family is better than.
Speak in mic.
Yes, sir. I think joint family is better than nuclear family, because in the joint family we can share our problem with our family members, and we can easily get any solution for this problem. And in the joint family we can also face any problem, and in the financial condition is very good, and when we do any work, so this work is divided in between the our family members, so it is not a burden for us. So I think joint family is better.
Joint family is better. Now Gaurav thinks that joint family is better. Let's know the opinion of ma'am. Ma'am, what do you think? You are a housewife. What do you think?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I personally think that nuclear family is better to live, because I am also having nuclear family and I know the advantages of nuclear family. I think we get more privacy in nuclear families. We can do anything freely. No pressure is there. If we live in joint family, if we want to do something, we have to ask for permission, and all other problems are there, and a small problem is there in joint family, it becomes a big issue. And for example, a person is having a simple problem or simple trouble, so he has the fear in mind that what will others say. If more members are there, more complications will be there, so he is very confused. So I think nuclear family is better to live, sir.
Okay, now Rathore ma'am, she's a housewife and she has given her own opinion. According to her, nuclear family is better than joint family. That's good. Let's know the opinion of you. What do you think?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I am in favor of joint family. In joint family, we enjoy with our. There are many members in joint family. We enjoy it more, and when we are in trouble, then the other members help us. And in nuclear family, there is a less member as compared to joint family. Then we get bored here. And in joint family, we are enjoyed very much.
In joint family, we enjoy it very much.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, more things.
And sir, when we go for a picnic and for a trip, when we go for more members, then we enjoy very much.
We enjoy very
yes,
much.
Sir.
Right. She's saying that in joint family, when we go for trip or picnic, we enjoy very much. That's the good point. Yes, what do you think?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I think joint family is better than nuclear family.
Okay, first tell me, are you from joint family or nuclear family?
No, sir, I am from nuclear family.
Okay, that is why you are speaking. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I think just in COVID-19, we are sometime we are in nuclear family. We don't enjoy not much, because with our brother and sister we talk and just go from the mobile, and that's all. But in joint family, our grandparents talk about their childhood. They were given, and we are very imaginate about that. Ki, oh wow, our parents are doing so much things. So I think joint family is better than nuclear family.
Okay, so she thinks that joint family is better than nuclear family. Let's know the opinion of Raj. What do you think, brother?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this beautiful opportunity. So I would first of all I would like to say something about nuclear family because I also belong from nuclear family. Why our parents are earning? They are earning from they are earning for us. They are giving they want to give us beautiful future and good future for their children. But it is not happening with joint family. If we talk about the nuclear family, so our individual they are focusing on us, our parents, but joint family, in joint family they are not all parents are not able to focus on us individually because they are because there are lot of family member and they are unable to focus on everyone.
That is right.
Yeah,
So
sir.
What do you think? Joint family is better than nuclear family?
Yeah, sir, nuclear family is better.
Nuclear family is better than joint family. Okay, okay. Raj thinks that nuclear family is better than joint family. Let's know her opinion. What do you think, bachche?
Sir, I think so. Nuclear family is better than joint family because in nuclear family we have freedom to go anywhere. But in joint family they have many questions that just like why are you going, where are you going, and at what time will you come.
Yeah.
So I think so. Nuclear family is good.
Nuclear family is good because we don't have to answer anyone. She's saying that we are not responsible for any kind of queries and questions in nuclear family. We can do anything that we want. Let's know the opinion of this kid. What do you think?
Sir, I think that joint family is good because in joint family we get our grandfather and grandmother and our uncle and aunt. But in nuclear family we can't get because there are not our grandfather and grandmothers, and that is why we get bored much. And if we are going outside to wander, so there is a fun much in joint family. That's why, sir.
Okay, okay. Now tell me, are you from joint family or nuclear family?
Sir, I am from nuclear family.
You are from nuclear family?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Chali, that is why you are in favor of joint family. Okay, that's good. Now, Hazik, what do you think?
Sir, I think a nuclear family is better than joint family.
Okay.
We have freedom to do anything. In joint family, the maternal uncle and grandfather say to care small babies and do other things.
That is
so
good.
I think
And you are from joint family or nuclear family?
nuclear families.
You are from nuclear
Yes,
family.
sir.
That is why. Okay, Chali, that's very good. Now, Hiteshi, what do you think, bachche?
Sir, I think that joint family is better than nuclear family because in joint family we are celebrate all festivals with full happiness, and you are younger. You are younger in your family, so everyone more loves you more,
Yes.
and they give attention for you.
Yes, and we get so many chocolates.
Yes, sir.
On our birthday, we get so many gifts.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely right. So you enjoy so much in joint family, and you are from joint family or nuclear family.
Sir, nuclear family.
That is why she's speaking like that. Now, what do you think, Shubh? We want to know from you.
Sir, I think that joint family is good from nuclear family because in joint family we have our grandparents and uncle aunt, and we get moral support and financial support also from them. And if we have to do something, also our homework, we get opinion from our family members.
Yes, that's good. Now he's saying that we are financially supported when we are in joint family. Is it right? Let's know the opinion of his. What do you think? Is it right that we are financially support in joint family?
Yes, sir, it is right. If you have no problem in study and you sometimes you got any doubt in study, so you can ask with your cousin, brother and others. Because if your father and mom is not at home and you got hungry, if at that time what will you do? So joint family is better. At that time they will give you food.
Yes.
And if you are going to do a picnic and something more trips, so at that time you will get more enjoyment because they are with our cousins and we can get more enjoyment. By doing that we get far from mobile and we enjoy with our families.
Right. So now he thinks that, Aradhya thinks that in joint family we enjoy very much. Let's know the opinion of Neha. Neha, what do you think?
I
I think, sir, a joint family is best because the joint family get a lots of love and enjoy it. And if you live with joint family, you can communicate easily other people. So
You can communicate easily with
other
people.
people.
But what about our privacy? What about our privacy? We don't enjoy the kind of liberty that we enjoy in the nuclear family. Yes.
Sir, I think, sir, joint family is best because.
Okay. Now she thinks that joint family is best. But my questions to all the participants who have already spoken, that don't you think that in joint family we are unable to enjoy our liberty? We don't have freedom. We are always told not to do so, don't do so, like, you know. What do you think? That's my opinion.
Sir, I think as you say that we don't have liberty.
Yeah.
In joint family, but we get help, we get moral support and financial also.
Yeah.
When we are in trouble, then they help us, and there are many things that will trouble us. Then we get support in joint family, not nuclear family.
Okay, in the joint family we get financial support, we get all sorts of supports. Yeah, what he's saying.
So as you said that we can't get freedom in joint family,
Yeah.
but I think that the question are asked. You said that we have to answer all the questions.
Yeah.
They are asking us for our love because they love us. If you are going out, so they will ask why are you going? Because you don't take the wrong way. You will don't play with the bad boys and other things.
Exactly. He's saying that if they are stopping us, if they are what we can say that going against us because they think about us, they are thinking they are not going against us actually. They are doing for our welfare. Yeah, what do you think?
Sir, I think they support, just like they think about that because they say that they love us. So just they are also just talk about where are you going, with whom you going, and about with our cousins. Just we go with the picnic with our cousin, so they don't questioning about it because they also cousins are going. But with the other people, but in the nuclear family, the mother father always stands about that. My children was go with them. So what about its food? What about this? But in joint family, don't think about that. Okay, just go with the cousins. So I think joint family is always better.
Okay, she strongly believes that joint family is better. Let's know the opinion of ma'am. Yes.
Sir, I think when we talk about joint family, we get care, support, moral things and all that. So that makes us weak sometimes. Because in a nuclear family, the head of the family is more self-dependent, I think, for financial matters also. Because he know that in future he will not get any support from anyone. So he is his mind is very decided that time. Yeah. So he will get the right decision. And about a child, his mind is also more focused because he is not pampered anywhere. Yeah. So if he will fail in exam, he know that what will be the sequence of that particular problem. So I think minds are more focused in nuclear families. So that is good for our life and for our future also.
For our future also. Okay, that is a good point ma'am has given. Chaliye, that's very good. Is there anybody who's going to say anything special? Yes.
So we are talking about nowadays generation.
Yeah.
So in the nuclear family, they husbands and wives, they are also they go to the job,
Yeah.
and that time nobody live in the home. His child is alone. So nowadays our generation also thought that in the care in the under of the grandparents, our child is very disciplined, maintain discipline. So nuclear family also move on the joint family nowadays.
Absolutely right. This is a strong point. This is a good point he has mentioned over here, that when we are taken care by our grandparents, by our uncle, aunt, no doubt they nurture good qualities in us. They inculcate good qualities in us, and somehow we learn so many things with this. Okay, now I'm moving to the next. Who is going to say anything special? Yes.
Sir, but there is also good thing that in our joint family because sir, if our father beats us and if we are beaten by our father,
Okay.
so our grandparents and our grandmother saves us. Then
Yes.
don't beat him.
This is the strong point actually, that when we are beaten by our father, then our grandparents come ahead to help us. That is why we should live in joint family. This is the strong point he has given. So tell me, in how many times are you bitten in a week?
Sir,
In a
I
week.
have bitten in a week 4 times.
4 times. Okay. So it is clear that every means after a day you are just bitten. And for what reason you are bitten?
Sir, because I do much mischief.
You do mischief.
Yes, sir.
That is why you are bitten. So why do you do mischief?
Sir, because I like to.
I like to do mischief. So this is the also point. Then when we are bitten, then our parents, our grandparents and uncle and aunt come ahead to help us. Okay, Chali, that's very good. Is there anybody who is going to say yes, brother?
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, joint family is better than nuclear family.
Okay.
Sir, according to me, there are many problems in nuclear family, sir. Many types of problem, such as there are. Nuclear family. In nuclear family, there are 4 members. Three elders and 1 children.
One child.
One child.
Yeah.
So suppose 3 elder members go to outside.
Yes.
Children's alone at home.
Yeah, that is the problematic situation.
Children has to go to school.
Yeah.
So who will drop school his children?
Absolutely right. And who is going to take care of?
That is why my according joint family is best.
That is why you believe that joint family is better than nuclear family. Everyone, I would say you all have spoken very well. You all have given your views freely. No doubt, I would say that joint family somehow is better than nuclear family, because in the joint family we have a huge family. We have so many family members. If we are having our own job, our own business, and all the family members are well settled, so I think we can enjoy a good life with with joint family. At the same time, in nuclear family, it depends on person to person. Somehow, sometimes we find some people they don't adjust with others. You know, they want to live with liberty. You know, so we find that here the nuclear family is better. Okay, so it's completely depend upon person to person. So everyone, this was really very healthy discussion we have done today. A good clapping I just want from you all, for you all.